There's something magical about cooking a steak. The sizzle, the aroma, and finally the taste. A perfectly cooked steak is a triumph. It's juicy, flavorful, and cooked just the way you like it. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, mastering the art of steak is a rewarding experience. It's about understanding the science of heat and meat. It's about developing your senses. And most importantly, it's about enjoying the process. From rare to well done, each level of doneness offers a unique flavor and texture. This guide will walk you through the steps to achieve steak perfection every time. Basting with butter and herbs adds an extra layer of flavor and richness. Get ready to impress yourself and your taste buds. Let's turn you into a steak master. Sautéing steak in a pan allows for precise control over the heat and creates a beautiful crust. Grilling a steak, on the other hand, imparts a smoky flavor and those iconic grill marks. Each method offers a unique experience and flavor profile, so try both to find your favorite. Before we embark on our steak cooking adventure, let's gather our trusty tools and ingredients. Don't worry, we won't need a culinary school arsenal. Just a few basics will do. Tools. A heavy-bottom skillet or cast iron pan is your best friend. Tongs are essential for flipping and handling the steak without piercing it. A meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of doneness. A timer ensures precision and prevents overcooking. Ingredients: a beautiful cut of steak, your choice. Ribeye, New York strip, and filet mignon are all excellent options. Salt and pepper, the dynamic duo of seasoning. Oil, preferably high heat like avocado or grapeseed, that's it. With these simple tools and ingredients, you're well on your way to steak nirvana. Rare steak, the holy grail for those who adore the true essence of beef. A rare steak is a thing of beauty, a vibrant red center, cool to the touch with a delicate sear on the outside. The key: high heat and a watchful eye. 1. Sear it. Heat your pan until it's screaming hot. Add oil, then carefully lay your steak in the pan. Sear for 1 to 2 minutes per side, creating a beautiful crust. 2. Lower the heat. Reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your steak. 3. Rest and savor. Remove the steak from the pan and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful steak. Visual cue. The center of the steak should be bright red and slightly soft to the touch. Temperature guide: 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 52 to 55 degrees Celsius. Remember, cooking times may vary depending on the thickness and cut of your steak. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure the perfect level of doneness. For those who prefer their steak cooked a bit more, medium is the sweet spot. It offers a balance of tenderness and flavor with a warm pink center that's cooked through but still juicy. The goal: even cooking inside and out. 1. Sear and sizzle. Follow the same searing process as with rare steak, creating a flavorful crust. 2. Gentle cooking. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, allowing the heat to penetrate the center. 3. The rest test. Rest the steak for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This step is crucial for a juicy and flavorful medium steak. Visual cue. The center should be a light pink with a slight blush of red. Temperature guide: 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 to 57 degrees Celsius. A meat thermometer is your best friend when aiming for medium doneness. It ensures a perfectly cooked steak every time. Section 5, Well Done Wonders, Tender to the Core. While some may shy away from a well-done steak, it can be just as delicious as its rarer counterparts when cooked with care. The key is to avoid drying it out. The secret, low and slow, is the way to go. First, sear the steak over high heat, as you would for other levels of doneness. Then, lower the heat to low and cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side, allowing the heat to gently penetrate the center without overcooking it. Next, rest the steak for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful well-done steak. The center should be fully cooked with no trace of pink. The temperature guide is 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or 60 to 63 degrees Celsius. Don't be afraid to use a meat thermometer even for well-done steak. It's the best way to guarantee a moist and flavorful result. Section 6, Join the Steak Lovers Circle. Are you enjoying this steak cooking journey? Let me know. Hit that like button if you're ready to become a steak master. Share your preferred level of doneness in the comments below, rare, medium, or well done. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Section 7, Savor the Flavor, Your Steak, Your Way. Congratulations! You've embarked on a culinary adventure and emerged victorious, armed with the knowledge to cook a steak to perfection. Remember, the beauty of cooking is that it's a personal journey. Experiment with different cuts of meat, seasonings, and cooking times to find your perfect steak. Whether you prefer your steak with a side of creamy mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, or a simple salad, the most important ingredient is to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Gather your loved ones, pour yourselves a glass of wine, and savor the flavor of a perfectly cooked steak. Section 8, Time to Get Cooking. Now that you're a steak cooking pro, it's time to put your skills to the test. Head to the kitchen, grab your ingredients, and fire up that pan. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every steak you cook is an opportunity to refine your technique and discover new flavors. Don't forget to share your culinary creations with us. Tag us on social media and show off your steak cooking prowess with mastering the perfect steak. Happy cooking? And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking adventures.